Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we'll learn how to run Java programs in Android Studio. Open Android Studio. This is the welcome screen of Android Studio. Select new project and select no activity because we're not going to create an app. We're going to create a Java program that runs Java codes. Click next and here you name the application or name the program. I'll name it as Java examples. This is the package name. You can choose com.mastercoding.java examples or whatever you want. This is the save location, the language Java, and the minimum SDK. Android Studio will specify the minimum SDK and it's recommended. Click finish. After that, we go to File and we create here a new module. So click New Module, and we have this menu. Select Java or Kotlin library. And this is the library name, this is the package name, class name, and language Java. Don't make any changes here. Just click finish and Java library will be imported to your project. Now, how to run our projects in Android Studio? We have this lib folder. We open it, we can see the main and the test folder. Later on, when we talk about unit testing, we'll work with this folder. But now I'm going to work with the main folder. You can see Java, com.mastercoding.lib, and this is my class. Double click on it and here we have our class. So in this video we'll learn how to create and how to run projects, Java projects in Android Studio.